Hello, this is Natasha with Make Up Your Mind with Natasha LaFay. Today is the day. I am so excited. Today is the first day that I will be starting my Sisterlocks establishment. Kind of a whirlwind this morning. I'm glad that I did pack most of my things last night. So I just washed my hair this morning, dried it a little bit, so it's in a little poof right now. But yes, I grabbed some food. I have all my snacks. I have my lunch, my dinner. I'll do another video, like I said, showing you guys the things that I packed in my bag to bring for my establishment. But I will try and document this process as much as I can. So we will be getting started. I'll be heading in about 3 minutes. The appointment is at 9:15. It is 9:12 right now. So I am excited. I cannot wait to get this journey started. So I will see you guys shortly. Bye. Hello. I am checking in at the end of day 1. As you can see, I have a bonnet on my head, excuse it. I made a deal with my consultant that I would not look at my hair until it's all done and we can do the big reveal. So she did take some pictures while she was in the process. Her parting is meticulous. I'm so excited already. But day 1 went great. I think we got the whole front, this section of my head done. Then she did the parting already for the back, so we can get right into it tomorrow morning. I'm tired. I'm glad that I brought all my supplies. Didn't need to take any break to go get food or anything like that. As far as today, nothing really stood out as far as learning tips. I would just say, like I said a million times, I'll do the video of what I packed. Just make sure that you come prepared with all the things that you need so you guys can keep that process going of getting your locks established. There was just lots of good conversation. Just enjoyed each other's company, and she got to work. I mean, she was on top of it. She took all the pictures, videos, so I will be getting those from her and plugging them into this establishment video. But I'm excited. So today we met at 9:15. I would say we ate breakfast. We may have gotten started maybe around 10, I'm guessing. I didn't look at the clock. Or actually it was 10 because I had a meeting at 10 and she started right as I got onto the meeting. And we ended today at, what time is it? I'm trying to look at my watch. It is now 11 o'clock. Took me 30 minutes to get home. So about 10:30. So what is that? 11 and a half hours done today. And I mean, it was worth it. I'm going to be very, very happy with the end result. She was very good as far as asking me what my end goals were, as far as, you know, my lock goals, people that I looked at, just so she can get an idea of the type of locks that I wanted. She did pull out her Sisterlocks book to give me some data or information on kind of my hair pattern and how she decided to go with the lock pattern that she chose. So I am excited to go on to this process. I'm about to stuff something in my mouth and eat a little bit. I know it's late, but I need to eat, and then I'm gonna go to bed, and we will be starting back up again at 10 a.m. So this is a very quick video, not showing you much, but there's some good things happening under here. So this is the end of day 1, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning for day 2. Love you. Have a good night or day or whenever you will be seeing this video. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Going. Oh, when it starts in like 20 minutes.
I did shit. What? I tried to just be open. I tried to get Josh to fall in love with me.
like them.
They know you can do it right now. Oh, yay! Oh, I like them.
Good. Because you're stuck with them.
And forever. No, they look good.